All right, so let's talk about one of the fastest growing industries online right now, supplements. The health and wellness market is absolutely exploding, and it's expected to reach over $327 billion by the end of 2030. But here's the thing, you can't just jump in blind. Supplements can be very lucrative, but they also have legal rules, safety requirements, specific claims that you can and can't make. And today I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know step by step. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first, the big question, is it even legal to dropship supplements? And in short, yeah, it totally is. Dropshipping supplements is completely legal as long as you follow the rules. Now, here are 5 things that you need to know. For one, labeling and advertising requirements. Every country requires specific information on supplement labels. Its ingredients, warnings, allergens, the dosage. All of that must be accurate. Now, make sure that the products you already sell meet your country's labeling laws. Number 2, meeting legal standards. Only sell supplements made in good manufacturing practice facilities. Look for GMP certifications, quality testing, and regulatory compliance. If your supplier can't prove it, don't sell it. Number 3, international sales. If you sell worldwide, every country has different rules. Some require extra warnings, different languages, or restricted ingredients. So just make sure that you check with your supplier before shipping internationally. All right, number 4, product claims. Now this is a really big one. You can't claim that a supplement cures, treats, or prevents anything unless the law specifically allows it and unless it's true. So stay safe and compliant and just avoid any medical claims. And number 5, supplier selection. Your supplier must be reputable, compliant, and transparent. A bad supplier puts you at risk, so choose wisely. Now, let's talk about money. Is supplement dropshipping actually profitable? And like I said yesterday, and like I said earlier, yes, extremely. And here's why. First, low startup costs. You don't buy inventory. Your supplier ships everything. Second, high demand. People buy supplements every single month. It's a recurring purchase. And it's a recurring purchase industry. Third, low return rates. Customers buy exactly what they need and rarely return supplements. And finally, low overhead costs. You're dropshipping. No warehouse, no shipping, no packing, none of that stuff. So that brings me to, what should you sell? Well, here are the top 10 supplements with high demand and strong profit margins. We're going to run through these pretty quick because we got a bit more information to go through. But starting off at number 1, we have pre-workout supplements. 2, vitamin D. 3, keto supplements. 4, protein powders. 5, multivitamins. 6, probiotics. 7, lip plumping oil. 8, matcha powder. 9, detox tea. And 10, castor oil. And I said castor oil, not castrol oil, okay? Make sure you get the difference between castor oil and motor oil, essentially. These products, they sell consistently, they sell year round, and most customers buy them again and again. Next, here are the best suppliers for dropshipping supplements, because what good is it to have the products or to know the products, but not have anywhere to purchase them from? And starting off at number 1, we have Pure Formulas, high quality organic options, and GMP facilities. Number 2, of course, the AutoDS warehouse and private suppliers. You got fast shipping, competitive pricing, and full automation, and you can even brand some of your products. Number 3, Amazon has a huge selection, and they're super reliable, and of course they got prime shipping. And number 4, we got Walmart. They have low prices and trusted brands. Number 5, you have Costco. Now Costco is awesome for bulk pricing and for high product quality. And number 6, we have eBay. They have tons of different supplement sellers at some pretty affordable prices. And not just sellers, there's also suppliers and manufacturers. Now, all of these suppliers work smoothly with AutoDS, just as a bonus. Now, let's get into the full actual step-by-step guide. Step 1, you need to do your product research. To succeed, you need products that people actually want. Use tools like the AutoDS Marketplace, use Google Trends, TikTok, AliExpress Dropship Center, and supplier bestseller pages. You want to look for high demand, stable supply, and products that people actually repurchase. All right, now step 2, you want to choose suppliers with fast shipping, easy returns, good prices, verified product quality, and of course, great reviews. Using multiple suppliers gives you even more security. Now, at step 3, we're going to start picking our selling channel. You can sell supplements on your own website or on a marketplace. If you want to use your own store, Then just simply get on either Shopify, Wix, or WooCommerce. You control literally everything, but you need to bring your own traffic. Now, if you do want easy and organic traffic, then you can use a marketplace, something like eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace. I would say Etsy, but this niche doesn't really work with Etsy, but it is a marketplace at the end of the day. But again, it's not very good for supplements. It's more for like handmade products, just an FYI. But at the end of the day, marketplaces are pretty beginner friendly and they're really fast to set up. All right, step number 4, import products to your store. With AutoDS, importing supplements is simple. Search for the product inside the AutoDS marketplace, click on import draft, and optimize your title and description and publish it to your store. Done. Simple as that. Which leads us to step 5, promote your store. Marketing depends on where you're selling. On Shopify, use TikTok videos, Facebook ads, Google ads, influencers, email marketing, and blog posts for organic traffic. On a platform like, let's say, eBay, you're going to use something like a promoted listing. You're going to use discounts and sales events. Now on Amazon, it's a little bit different. On Amazon, you want to win the buy box and you want to run PPC ads. Now on Facebook Marketplace, here you can use marketplace promotions and buy and sell groups. All right, now step 6, fulfilling your orders. You can fulfill orders manually, but it's slow and it's very prone to errors. Or you can automate the entire process with AutoDS. AutoDS can place your orders for you. It can update your tracking automatically and even use fulfilled by AutoDS, so you don't need to use your own buyer accounts ever. Your accounts stay private, they never get touched. Now step 7, provide great customer service. This is before and after a sale. Check your messages daily, respond quickly, be overall helpful. Great customer service turns one-time buyers into repeat customers, which is exactly what we need in the supplement industry. And finally, scale with automation. Once you start getting consistent orders, automation is the key to scaling. With AutoDS, you're going to get automatic product importing, automatic order fulfillment, automatic tracking updates, automatic stock and price monitoring, bulk listing tools, AI title and description optimization, and a full product research platform. Automation at the end of the day is going to save you tons of time, and it's going to reduce a lot of mistakes, and it's going to let you scale faster. And really, that's the full step-by-step guide on how to start dropshipping supplements the right way. Now, if you want to automate your entire supplement store from product research to order fulfillment, then just make sure you check out and grab the AutoDS trial for just $1 for the next 2 weeks. And the link to that is going to be down in the description below. Now, huge thanks to everyone for watching, especially if you made it all the way to the end. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that like button, and hit those little bell notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos in the e-commerce or dropshipping world. Huge thank you once again to everyone for watching. My name is Mario, and I'll catch you all next time.